In the present day, cancer is one of the most terrifying diseases. There are more than 100 kinds of cancer. Cancer leads to pain, disability, and death. Luckily, the scientists started to realize about the issues and began to use advanced technology and knowledge to develop and manufacture the treatment and medicines. One of the treatments that used to cure cancer cells is radium-223 treatment. Radium-223 treatment is being used to cure metastasis of prostate cancer cells. Prostate cancer occurs in prostate. It is one of the most important organs in men. Prostate uses to transport, nourishes the sperm, and plays a role in urine control in men. Prostate cancer takes time to develop. There are many stages within the process of developing the disease. First, beginning stage. The cancer cells are formed by the growth of abnormal cells, which allows the mutation in DNA cells and causes the cell to divide and grow more rapidly. During the time that abnormal cells divide, the normal cell will die and the abnormal cells will continue to live. Second stage is a tumor grow larger and found more than one half of lobe of the prostate. Thirdly, cancer spread and break into outer layer of prostate and may spread into seminal vesicle. Fourthly, cancer cells have spread outside the tissues, bones, or lymph nodes, especially the bone metastasis. About 80% of the time, prostate cancer cells metastasis. Bone metastasis leads to bone pain, weak bones, spinal cord compression, stiffness, or pain in the hip. Those can lead to disability. Spinal cord compression can lead to nerve damage. Prostate cancer have an impact on urinary incontinence, meaning slow working and weak urine stream. Using radioisotope is one of the best solutions to cure metastasis of the prostate cancer cells. Radioisotope is the same as the atom in isotope, but radioisotope is unstable due to the additional number of neutrons, and it has excess nuclear energy and can emitting nuclear energy radiation. Radioisotope is used and applied in medical practice, for example, in treatment and diagnosis. Radium-223 treatment is one of the applications of radioisotope. Discovery of radium-223 helped cure prostate cancer within the bone. Radium-223 is alkaline earth metal and is the calcium mimetic. An isotope of radium and is alpha-emitting radionuclide. Radium-223 used to be called alpha-radium and now has a brand name Sulfico. The calcium mimetic property helps radium-223 working better in the active bones. Once radium-223 is in the active bones, the cancer cells is more active than normal cells. They are more likely to absorb more radium-223 and are quicker. Once radium-223 is in the cancer cells, it releases radiation within the small area to kill the cancer cells. Since radium-223 emitting the high-energy alpha radiation, linear energy transfer and travel in the short range, which is 2 to 10 cells deep. Those properties deliver an intense and highly localized radiation dose to the cancer cell DNA. Radium-223 damages cancer cell DNA by alpha particles, resulting in double-strand DNA breaks, leads to cancer cells death. It also means that cancer cell will receive the high dose radiation and normal cells receive only low dose. Radium-223 can control prostate cancer and reducing pain in more than one area of the bone. Normally, radium-223 treatment will be injected into the vein. It will take up a minute and will be repeated every 4 weeks. To add on, radium-223 is also help with preserving the surrounding healthy bone tissue and bone marrow, along with minimizing the side effect.